Millie, living and non-living things both can move. How can we spot a difference between the two?
Crocs, there are many other characteristics of living things which differentiate them from non-living things.
Living things. Characteristics of living things. Living things are made up of cells. The body of living things are made up of cells. A cell is the smallest unit of a living organism. Some living things like amoeba and paramecium are made up of only one cell. Most living things like plants, big animals and human beings are made up of many cells. Non-living things are made up of molecules. Living things grow and change. Earlier you read that a seed changes into a seedling and then into a plant. A puppy grows into a dog. A baby grows into a toddler and then into an adult. Animals and humans grow until a certain age. Plants keep growing as long as they live. If you cut the branches of a plant, new branches and leaves appear on it. All living things grow by producing more cells from the existing cells. Non-living things do not grow. Living things need air, water and food. All living things need air to breathe and food for producing energy to carry out daily activities. Green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis by using water, sunlight and carbon dioxide from air. Animals depend on plants for food. Non-living things do not need air, water or food. Living things respire. Inside the cells, food gets converted into energy by using oxygen from the air. This process is called respiration. During the process of respiration, oxygen from the air is taken in and it reaches each cell, while carbon dioxide is given out by the cells. Exchange of gases takes place in plants through tiny openings called stomata present on the surface of the leaves. Animals respire in different ways. Mammals have lungs, insects have tiny holes on the body called spiracles, and fish have gills. Non-living things cannot respire. Living things respond to changes around them. Sense organs present in animals enable them to sense changes in their surroundings. Anything in your surroundings that induces a response in a living organism is called stimulus. Your mouth starts watering on smelling good food. You close your eyes when sharp light enters it. You remove your hand when you touch a hot object. Plants do not have sense organs, but they also respond to changes around them. A sunflower always faces the sun. The leaves of touch-me-not plant close when touched. Non-living things do not respond to any changes. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is the process of producing more of one's own kind. It helps in the continuity of life on the earth. All living things produce more of their own kind. Plants reproduce from seeds, body parts or spores. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to the young ones. Non-living things cannot reproduce.